Alright folks, how's it going out there? Rooster here in Tennessee, looking at a little bit different amp, custom amp here. One that I just ordered, nobody prepaid for it, but I do have a gentleman that's interested, and if it performs like he likes in the video, then I'm going to send him an invoice for it. Again, something a little bit different, large 8-pill case. This is a 1 driving 8 454 that is staged with the high and low switches on the front of it here. You guys will look at the back. No remote jacks on this one. Again, I do have a gentleman that said he wants it, but I did want to show him how it operated before he actually paid for it. That way, if he has a change of heart, it can be available to somebody else. So if you're interested in this amp or one like it, shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. I also have a 2-pill 454, a 4-pill 454, a 6-pill 454, and a straight 8 at the time of this video. So this is going to be a low drive amp when both switches are up. It's also going to be a low drive amp when just this switch is up. Now, an 8-pill 454 can take about 120 watts or so, 140 watts PEP worth of drive. But this being the 1 driving 8 with the driver section built into it, we're going to hit it with the Uniden 66, doing about 35 watts PEP and about 10 watts average. Now at the end of the video, I will show the dead key, as long as I can remember. I'll pop the big slug out and show how much dead key we're running. But we'll run through it here and show you kind of how this thing does. First, I'm going to test it at 15 volts. That's what a Fatboy's testing at nowadays. So I'll test it at 15, and then I will do a test at the end at 14.5 or 14.6 with both switches turned up. But we'll do all 3 stages at 15 volts, and then we'll go from there. So it does have a variable on it. We've got it wide open right now. We'll just give it an audio into the clamp meter and show you what it's drawing. Hello. So what? It jumped up to about 77 at first, but around 75 amps worth of draw. Again, this is the 1-pill section. This is the 8-pill section. Just look at them that way. If you kill this, you're running just the 8-pill section. If you kill this, you're running just the 1-pill. If you run both, you're running 1 driving 8 454. So let's come over here to the bird. We've got a 2500 watt slug in, if you guys can see that, top scale. We're going to go ahead and throw a dead key here. And we're running about a 225 watt dead key. Hello. Around 550 average, give or take. And then PEP. Hello. Audio, 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 audio. I'd say about 1150, 1175, something like that. Now all I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn the low section off. Now we're running a straight 8 454, and we will be underdriving it, but just to show you the difference, this is just straight 8. This is no driver in line. This is just straight 8. Audio 1 2 3. Audio 1 2 3. Audio 1 2 3. Audio, 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 audio. Hello, audio. I'd say that's about 800 watts PEP, between 800 and between 800 or 750 and 800 rather. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this off and turn the low portion on. Again, the amp will run either way. Amp's still running, fans are still on. Let's come over here on low and see what we get. Audio 1 2 3. Audio 1 2 3. Audio 1 2 3. Audio check 1 2 3. So that's what, probably. Let's put a different slug in there to measure that, because I don't think we're doing it justice measuring with a 2500 watt at that low of power. So let's put the 1000 watt in here. So now we're looking at the bottom scale, and this is just the driver section. Hello, audio check 1 2 3. Audio check 1 2 3. Audio check 1 2 3. About 150 or so, give or take there. So that's just the driver section, or just on low. Again, we'll go back to just high. This is just the output. Audio 1 2 3. Audio 1 2 3. Audio 800 watts PEP. So doing good through all sections of it. now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this out and put our 2500 back in, and we'll test it on 14.5, 14.6. So come back over here. We've got both stages on. Turn this bad boy down to 14.6. Audio drawing about the same, not much difference. Go back to PEP. Hello, audio 1, 2, 3, audio 1, 2, 3, audio. So we lost a little bit over 100 watts, maybe 150 watts by turning it down. I'm gonna turn the variable down halfway. Hello, audio 1, 2, 3, audio 1, 2, 3, audio. Now I'm gonna turn the variable at 9 o'clock. Check 1, 2, 3, audio. Dropped it down a little bit, and this is the variable all the way down. Audio 1, 2, 3, barely keying up, audio, and that drops it down to about 800 watts. So quite a bit you can do with this amp. I'm gonna start trying to get some more amps like this. Just stuff that you don't see every day. May do like a couple of 2-drive and 8 2879Cs in 12 pill cabinets, just for people that want a little bit something different. And to me, this amp is killer. Good standalone amp, pretty wicked driver amp if you want to use it for that. There's a lot you can do with it. So again, you can run both sections, you know, 1150 watts with a 35 watt radio. You can kill this section and get 800 watts PEP, or you can kill that section and do 150 watts. So there's a lot you can do with this thing. 1-drive and 8 454. The driver on this thing may actually be a 2290. I haven't took the lids off and looked, but it may have a 2290 in the driver section. But it is a 1-drive and 8. All right, that's it, guys. Questions, comments, let me know. Shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. More videos coming up. Planning to do a video on a 6-pill 454 soon. Don't sleep on these 454 transistors, guys. I tell you, I don't know of anybody that's having trouble with them. I mean, and they're tough. They do a good job. They're kind of a medium drive transistor, so don't snooze on these. I think they, you know, a lot of people don't know about them, is why a lot of them, you know, they don't sell as much as the 2879. Everybody knows what a 2879 is. The 454s are kind of a well-kept secret. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. Questions, comments, shoot me a text, 423-299-3535. Catch you guys on the band. Rooster in Tennessee. See you, bye.